it's time to try the back. I am so sorry I had to change my seat last second. Pocket check.
It's gonna be really tight.
Thank you.
The turn is all clear. Can I get a ride scan? You guys all clear?
Here we go, everyone. First ride in the back. Wow. Now this I'm really excited for. I have not ridden this in the back ever. Let's see how good this ride is. Wow. Yeah, this is easily a back row ride. That was incredible. You know, I mean, I can see why I only got one ride on this in 2018 because the line was long and I only had 5 hours at the park. But wow, when I get more time at this place, we're gonna be lapping this in the back. The back is the place to be.